Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on the application of Stumble Guys. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of Stumble Guys. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. After that you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.